In less than 1 week, we'll hear opening statements about whether the Parkland school shooter Nicholas Cruz should be sentenced to life or death.
Pre-trial motions are underway to determine exactly what evidence the jury will see during the trial. WPTV's Lenny Supal joins us from the Broward County Courthouse with the latest. Lenny?
Good evening, Tanya and Jay. Today, attorneys argued whether any developmental delays led to Nicholas Cruz's violent behavior and the mass shooting that claimed 17 lives at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School 4 years ago. Prosecutors standing firm in their belief that Cruz was competent at an early age, opposing any of the defense's claims and saying that those are meaningless.
I recall
a war of words playing out in the courtroom as the sentencing trial for Nicholas Cruz nears. With less than 1 week before opening statements, attorneys still trying to figure out exactly what evidence should be presented in court. Prosecutors digging deep into Cruz's behavior as a child, specifically around 6 years old.
The defendant brushed his teeth when he was 6 to 7 years of age, which was indicated at 12 that he didn't. Whether or not he could zip up a jacket or button a shirt, that he could play a game like Tetris on the phone at 6 years of age.
Prosecutors say Cruz was capable of advanced tasks like setting a table and brushing his teeth, but the defense maintains that Cruz's intellectual ability was limited, and he had the mindset of a 1-year-old at age 12, only knowing 50 words. They believe prosecutors misinterpreted the psych exam.
That makes any information that he gathers unreliable because he's taking information from a test and he's using it inappropriately, not in a standardized measure, which guarantees the reliability.
Prosecutors pointing to school records which don't indicate his delayed intelligence, and there's not enough evidence to support that claim.
These are all relevant questions as to his adaptive behavior.
And we're still waiting to see how the judge decides on whether internet searches and social media posts will be shown to the jury, which reveal Nicholas Cruz and his dark thoughts about mass shootings, racial slurs, and his obsession with Hitler. Reporting live from the Broward County Courthouse tonight, Lenny Supal, WPTV News Channel 5.